Lighting is what brings all the pieces together into one world. The wrong lighting, highlighting the wrong elements, or using the wrong color temperature can completely change the perception of the space you have around you. So if I had my lighting too cold in this room, you don't get the warm, inviting conversation feel. If your lobby has a beautiful art wall and a fountain and plants, but it's brightest over in that corner, it feels unbalanced. So it really sets the mood, sets the tone, and brings that environment into one place. So it's so much more than just aesthetics. It's world building. I wanted to be a white glove designer who never touched any of the lights and got their hands dirty. And suddenly the engineering and boots in the mud with the contractors and understanding how the system worked and how everything became a world together to create, the pretty thing that was down the road became so much more interesting to me. One of the projects I'm working on right now is for a theater patio. They're redoing just their entire outdoor space and trying to make it more welcoming and inviting for patrons and making it into event space. First things first, it's looking at what's already there. If it's a newer building, it's a lot easier. I look at whatever track lighting or down lighting it has, and it's sort of analyzing, is it bright enough? Is the first question. Is it even? Is it lighting the right areas? I did a small stint at Disney in Imagineering. I was interning in the lighting controls department, and that was where I learned about Bluebeam Studio, which again, life-changing. To be able to share a document, have everyone across 7 different teams mark it up, and then have a structured conversation about it over like a Blue Jeans call. If you are looking at this and you think this is something that's really interesting, or if you're the person standing in the building going, oh, look at that wall, it's out there and it's not hard to find. But the nature of the beast of being in an arts-related industry is that we all had someone who ushered us into this. So reach out to a local designer. If you're interested in theater, reach out to that person doing the show down the road. Reach out to the firm that's designing and just express interest. Because more often than not, someone is going to be willing to talk to you about it. Because we're just excited as you are about what we do.